Mr. President, sir!
What the hell's going on?
Shit! We gotta get to the back of the plane! Go! 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 Stop shooting the drones! Shoot the goddamn plane!
Initiating emergency descent to 10,000 for cabin pressure stabilization.
Let's go! There are parachutes in the back! Here comes another wave. Lost engine 2. Gonna lead into it. Come on, we gotta jump! That way! Through the door! Come on, sir, move! We're leveling out!
Хана, все по домам.
Let's go! Let's move! Quick! These two should be intact! Shit! Going down to Belarusian airspace! You'll need to get to our safe house in Poland! Rip it hard once you're out! The chute will do the rest!
We can double up!
Not a chance! Too risky!
What about all these people?
We all have our jobs to do! Yours is to survive! Get to Golden Mountain Mining Company under the Gdański Bridge in Warsaw! Let me hear it, sirs!
Golden Mountain Mining Company!
Gdański Bridge! It's been an honor, Mr. President!